Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu and find the settings icon. It's right here at the bottom, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called brightness, and tap on it. And by default, the auto adjust is enabled. So if you want to adjust the brightness, you need to disable it. So tap on the switch like this, and then you can tap on the brightness option. And here we have the list of the brightness levels, as you can see. Swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list. Select the level of brightness you like. For example, we're gonna select 4 and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now the brightness changed. It's too bright, so let's lower it a little. Maybe 3? No, 3 is decent. Okay, and once you're done adjusting your brightness, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.